To load the rolls on a designjet t1300. This machine accepts 2 rolls of paper, so what we're going to do is we're going to run through loading roll 1 and roll 2. So first thing, get your roll onto the spindle, which is what we've done there. The spindle goes into the machine that way. You can see the paper coming off in that orientation, coming off the top of the roll like that. Okay, right, and then up to the front panel. Go to the top left menu item, the little I, and press that. Bottom right, just select the spanner, press that. Then you can scroll through till you get to paper. Press that, select paper load. It's going to be roll 1 we load first, so highlight that, and it basically tells you what to do. Open roll cover number 1. Load your spindle into the machine. And what we want to do, make sure you avoid the sheet paper path, which is this sensor here. Don't go through that, that's purely for sheet loading. Just follow where it says 1 there. Put the paper down. Just feed it into the machine. You'll come against a hard stop, as done now. Machine beeps to say it's spotted it, and starts dragging the paper in. Okay, front panel then asks us what type of paper we're loading. So we're going to select bond, and it's just a plain paper on this roll, so we'll select that. And it's asking us for the roll length because we've turned on the advanced features on this machine. What it will do, if we've got the advanced features on, when you come to unloading a roll, it can print a little barcode on there, and it will save you having to go through any of these questions next time. It will just read the barcode. So it's a 45.7 metre roll, so select that. Close the cover. Okay, and that is it. The machine's now ready to print with 1 roll of paper loaded. But we'll go straight into loading the second roll. This is something you have to do from the back of the machine. So the front panel is still on the paper menu. So we'll just select load roll 2. It'll automatically go and park roll 1 because obviously that paper's in the paper path, needs to be out of the way. Now round to the back of the machine. And in a similar fashion we've loaded the paper onto this roll as well. Exactly the same way. Spindle goes in that way, paper coming off the top of the roll like that. Open up the cover. Load the spindle into place. There's a 2 there indicating that's where roll 2 ought to be getting fed, up into that slot there. So just get the paper onto that lip, and exactly the same way, roll it into the machine. You'll hit a hard stop. The machine will recognise that, beeps, takes the paper in. Obviously didn't like me closing the roll 2 before it was ready, so I'll open that again. Okay, it's asking me again what type of paper is in there. Go for a technical paper. And translucent bond. Once again it's asking us how long that roll is. It's a 45.7 metre roll, 150 foot, so select that. it's telling us to close the roll 2 cover. So we'll shut it up. And the machine's now got both rolls loaded, which is why on the menu items there you can see they're disabled.